Hi beauties, welcome back. What is going on, you guys? It's finally concert day. Yes, today's concert day, July 13th, 8 o'clock tonight. Mixtape tour, you guys. New Kids on the Block, Salt and Pepper, Naughty by Nature, Tiffany, Debbie Gibson. Today's video is tutorial on this concert look. I wanted to do like a smoky eye with some glitter and a red bold lip. Came out completely the way I wanted it to come out. I'm so excited, you guys. So with that being said, if you want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. I'm just gonna like run through what I already got going on here, and then I'm gonna get into the tutorial for today's concert. I'm so excited, you guys. I already like did my whole like skincare routine. I've got my elf tape on. My hair is a freaking mess, y'all. It's like 2 hours and counting. Tracy's coming to pick me up at 3. So really quick, I did paint my nails for today's concert. It is by OPI. That's the color. And it is called We the Female. So that's the nail polish that I'm wearing today. I already have some priming going on my lips, so my lipstick can be flawless tonight and not come off because we're going to be using Morphe tonight. And then so I'm prepping my lips with the ColourPop Lippie Balm. I love it. It's in the scent Bellini. And then I've already done my eyebrows, as you can see, with the ColourPop Brow Boss. I absolutely love this, and it is soft black. So that's what so far we're working with tonight. I'm going to zoom you guys in and we're going to get into it. I will say, if I haven't mentioned it before, in a couple of videos back, I mentioned that one of the things that did not work for me that everyone was raving about was the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. It did not work for me as a concealer under eye, but I do use it as an eyeshadow primer, and it works absolutely amazing. So I'm glad that I can use this product, or put this product to use in a different way instead of just tossing it. so I decided to do a proper outro. So, you guys, I got my ponytail in, my favorite hat. Don't freaking judge me. It's my favorite hat. And I straightened out my hair, got my hoops on, and I got my shirt on. So I am ready to go. I'm just gonna throw on. You know what? I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna throw on my Under Armour sneakers, my black sneakers. And I'm not sure if I'm going to wear black jeans or if I'm going to wear distressed blue shorts. I'm still like, it's coming down to the final minute. And I'm still like black jeans, shorts, black jeans, shorts. But I'm throwing on a jacket. So if I wear shorts and a jacket, it's going to look weird. It's like, am I hot or am I cold? Like, what's going on here? So I think I'm just going to do the black jeans with a belt and then the jacket. And I'm going to be out of here. I was going to put like some stars on the side of my face, but with my glasses and the hat, you're really not going to be able to see them. So I'm not going to do that either, you guys. But so this is it, you guys. This is the final look for the concert. I'm going to be on my way. I do hope that you enjoyed the vlogging for the concert that I did, that you'll see before this video. So give that one a thumbs up, give this one a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified of all my videos. And I will see you beauties next Tuesday. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.